Hi y'all. So we're implementing some new lights that we got. So there's a whole new light system. These are going to be the only kind of lights we have, and we don't have the Tektites with a few of these with the broom still. But there's this new light system. So we wanted to show this to you because there's a couple things you need to know to be able to use it. So they're in these little bags here. And just hanging up, and then they're in sections, and so inside the bag you'll find sections allowing you to screw together a pretty long pole, and then there's a bottom section, so you need to use at least 2 sections. And so there's 2 things that I think you just need to see. One is how to turn them on. So they've got inside of here, at some point you may need to service them. This comes off by unscrewing, and you can replace the batteries. We'll talk about it again in a second. So there's a little unlock deal here to just be able to get the batteries out. The batteries are supposed to last 18 hours on full brightness, so you may be finding yourself changing batteries more often. We got some rechargeable batteries, more to come on that. Okay, so here's maybe one of the important parts is the turning on and off of the light. So you have this big, pretty obvious switch up here on top, and the tricky part, I guess, is just the long hold. So press and long hold, and you can see, I think already it's quite bright. And then there's some other settings. As you press and hold, you can rotate through various settings, just back only, just front only, and then there's this battery saver, which is also pretty bright. I use this on Halloween. It's pretty good. So that would make the batteries last longer. So that's that. And then the other, probably an even more important thing is how to mount them. So we're working towards having some kind of mount on every boat. So it might look slightly different depending on where it is on the boat, but it will have a socket and this switch part. So I'm operating the little switch here now. And when you insert the light into the socket, it'll go all the way down, and then it may be hard to see, but there's a little lock and unlock icon there, and so then when I switch that to lock, hopefully, now it's locked in and won't come out. So it's pretty nice. This was approved by Klaus R, the light system, he likes it. So then when you don't want to twist. But okay, and so here's what, should we even show them what not to do? Don't turn it, so, you know, make sure you use it is possible to unscrew and leave the locking part inside the mount. So just please always make sure to use the lock, unlock, and keep these parts separate. This remains on the boat, and this part should also remain as part of the whole light kit. So that's about it. I think I want to thank Alicia for making this video, and to finally point out and thank her also for helping us transfer the contents of the trip leader bag. So you can see this new orange bag that's replaced the yellow bag that we've had for years, has all the same stuff in it that was in the yellow bag, including extra AA batteries, and a couple new goodies, headlamps for emergencies, stuff like that. So I think that's about it. Again, we're working towards putting these on all the boats, so you may not find them on all the boats yet, but some of them, many do already have them. You can actually see on the Winona here, one where it went on, and that's a different style from what I have. And so we're gonna get them. We got one on one of the big canoes. All right, see y'all on the water. Thanks a lot, thank you.